Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, my name is Charlene. Sorry I've been gone for quite a while, but this is I'm doing a collective haul for you today, spread across the month, you know. Just so you know, this video will probably be a little bit long, so please run and grab yourself a drink and a snack, and then join back here with me so I can show you the things I did get. So first of all, I'm going to show you the stuff online. The stuff online took really long to get to me, so this is why I had to wait. So the first thing I did get, I've already used the stuff, so this is why they're not in their packaging. The stuff I did actually get were the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 290, which I've got on my face today, which it actually matches my tan really, really well. It's by Garner, and I love this foundation. You have to shake it every time when you use it. It is like a liquidy water based. I definitely like to apply this with a brush, not a sponge. A brush, it is so much better application. It's flawless. I absolutely love it on my face. Next thing I did get online, these were raved about in 2016, and I was like, I need to get these, the Tarte Shape Tape, and I got the shade in light, medium, and in fair. So I have got the light medium under my eyes with a little bit of fair, and I absolutely do love these. These are really good. They cover my dark circles. I have the worst dark circles, and these cover them up. They come up other blemishes as well, which I absolutely do love. So I did get these, which I love them so much. Then the other thing I did get online was from Beauty Bay. This is the stuff that I want to get from Beauty Bay. I've heard so many people talking about this. It was something that I just had to get. It was a Nikkie highlighter with Ofra, because she did a collab with Ofra, and these colours are stunning. They're nice and creamy. Look at the colours. Holy crap. They're all the colours swatch. Let me swatch them for you. Look at that. They are stunning. They're stanosh. They are really, really stunning. The colours are so stunning. I love the colours so much. Like, there's white, there's gold, and there's red. The copper I won't put on me. For darker skin tones, the copper is going to be beautiful on your skin. But for lighter skin tones, put it on your eyes for an eyeshadow, and it looks flawless. It looks so beautiful. So I have got the highlighter on today. I've got the gold shade on today, which it looks beautiful. I absolutely love this. This is a key gun. I never tried Ofra highlights, and I'm glad I did, because they are so buttery, they're so creamy, they apply really nice, they blend so well as well, so this is why I love that. The thing I got from Beauty Bay was a powder. Now I did use my Laura Mercier, but I ran out of my Laura Mercier, and I was so disheartened. I was like, no, the RCMA no colour powder. This is a 3 ounce, and it is so big, but I've used it. I've used it underneath my eyesight. It is beautiful. You can bake with it. I didn't bake with it today. I just kind of put it on there, like, you know, dust it over my under eye. But this is good. I would compare this with Laura Mercier, because this is literally so much better. Could be good. This is good on any sort. I think it's good for any sort of skin tone. Like, if you're dry, it's good on dry skin. If you're oily, I'm oily in a T-zone. I use this in a T-zone, and it's still good on me. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't cling to anything. It is really beautiful. The powder's so, like, minimalised. It's so beautiful, so I do recommend this powder. The next thing I did go into Superdrug twice, I believe. I did go in there twice, and the first time I picked up some shampoo and conditioner. If you guys don't know, I am actually vegan. I've been vegan since January the 1st, and I'm still vegan, and I got these because they are vegan as well. So I'm trying to get my makeup to quarter-free to vegan. I can't do it as soon as, because I do have a lot of makeup that I do love and I do want to still keep. But the shampoo and conditioner I got was Maui, and they smell gorgeous. I've used it on my hair today, and it makes my hair smell gorgeous. So this is it smells so nice. It smells like somewhere you go for tropical, somewhere beachy. It smells so good. Now, this one is for dry and damaged hair. I did dye my hair. As you can see, my hair is a different colour. You might not be able to see it, but it is a different colour. It is violet, and I love it. And so this is for dry and damaged hair. So I do have dry and a little bit damaged because I did dye my hair. Decided to put this on, and I'm glad I bought it, because it is beautiful. It is so good. Next one, the conditioner. It does smell good. Oh, this smells so good. And it is for dry hair. So there is a conditioner for dry and damaged hair, and a shampoo for dry hair. I just decided to mix and match, because I've never mixed and matched before, and I'm glad I started to mix and match, because the products are working beautifully with my hair. You want something that smells so good and you smell like you've just come off like Hawaii or something like that. This is so good. There is 13 fluid ounces in this jar, so it's 385 ml, and it is better. And I'm just trying it out for a minute, and so far I'm absolutely loving this. So this is what I also got. So next thing I've got offline as well is basically I tan. So this is my tan. It looks light, but trust me, it's not light, it's a dark tan. And basically I used this tan with Saint Tropez. Saint Tropez was good, it was dark, but it wasn't my type of darkness. I need a type of darkness that is like that. So I started to try Loving Tan, and I got them in. Loved it, loved it. I love this so much. This is my holy grail tan. So it's by Loving Tan in Ultra Dark. It doesn't smell like fake tan. It smells so much better than fake tan. It smells so much nice. It smells really, really good. I just love it. It is quick drying. You put it on and it does dry quickly. So you don't have to basically kind of wait for ages for tan to dry. It doesn't have the tannin smell, and it's a natural olive colour. It is so beautiful. I've got it on my chest. I've got it on my chest and neck. It's just a really beautiful. It's just so beautiful just to have on. Then I went into Waterstones, and they had a book come out, and this book I've been loving it. I have made a few recipes from it so far. So this is the Vegan 100 by Gaz Oakley. This book is a really good book. I've made barbecue sauce, I made tomato ketchup, I made so many stuff in here. I want to make some more. Like there's bacon in here, there's sausages that you can make. There's seitan ribs that I made, which is not in this book, but is on his channel. And this is a really good book. It's vibrant, it's full of vegan food, and it's really nice. I absolutely love this book. And then I got was a pack of razors. I just got the Venus Embrace razors. These razors, they just come in like a pack like this. They are usable and they're binnable. They are 5 blades, and I just need a pack of razors. I don't want to get the expensive razors, and these are around about £3 to £4. So then I got some lashes. The only lashes that I do love are Eyelure and Exo Beauty lashes. They're the only 2 lashes that I do stick with that I absolutely love. And then I got some Exo Beauty lashes. So this is the Dramatics pack, and it has Glamourista, Wonderlust, Prima Donna, Gold Digger and Soulmate. Prima Donna is a little bit fallen off because I haven't used them already. And I love these lashes. I love them so much. They just stick on really nice. These are the lashes, and these are the Dramatics, which I love. Then the Naturals, the only palette that's not in here is Stunner, and that's upstairs because I wore them last night or a couple of days ago. I take my eyelashes off, put them on the side and just forget about them, but they're still there. But these are the Naturals, and they are really good. What I love about the Dramatics plus Naturals, they're thin bands. That's what I love. I love the Party Stacker and their thick bands. Love them as well, but they're so easy to apply. Then I went into Superdrug and got this colour box. This is what's on my hair today. You can't see it that much because it probably has, I'm not in natural light, I'm just in studio light. So my hair is actually purple. So I actually have done my hair with this. I absolutely love Schwarzkopf Life products. Their colours are intense. They are really worth their money. They are this is permanent, but when it goes faded, I am going to dye my hair a little bit later. Next thing I did get was a skin care, which is a moisturiser. I just got this moisturiser. It is a Garner Skin Active Moisturiser. It's for hydrate and refresh. It's with aloe vera extracts, and it's a day cream. And got this liquid lipstick that I've got on today. So if you want another colour, it's in Region, and it just looks like that. It's an imprinted formula, but this is really good. It does dry, but it's not like the NYX lingerie where they dry so much, and I don't really like that. But this is a matte liquid lipstick. You get a lip pencil and a liquid lipstick as well. The pencil is lighter than the actual liquid lipstick, so that is it, and they are beautiful. They're on my lips, and I actually do like the colour. Then I got the X highlighting palette. I've actually got the eyeshadow palette, and I wanted the eyeshadow palette for ages, so this is it. There's 4 are baked and 4 are just natural highlighters. I'm going to use this in a video later on, but the colours are beautiful. I'll just watch a few. I mean, them colours are beautiful. They actually look so beautiful. Got this setting spray, which is Illuminating Pro Thick Setting Spray. You shake before you use, and I've used it today, and I'm in love with it. It's just a fine mist. Because I spent over 12 quid, I got myself a free Love Conquers All palette. There are baked eyeshadows, normal eyeshadows, and the big heart is the highlighter in the middle. Then I went to Sainsbury's and bought the baby shampoo to wash my brushes. I always wash my brushes with baby shampoo. It is the best thing to wash your brushes with. Then I also got a simple cleansing wipes as well. I got 2. So in Superdry, if you buy 3 skincare products, you get a free face mask. So I got a free face mask, and this is a bubble purifying plus charcoal face mask. I'm actually going to test this out with you on a video, because I'm absolutely going to see how this reacts to my face and see how it is. Then I went into Boots and went to NYX products. So the first NYX product I got was the free Step Sculpt. Have used this on my face today. I use that as a bronzer and a bit of a contour. But you have the banana powder that I don't use, but this highlight powder looks stanosh. Then I got a fan brush. The reason I got a fan brush is because I've heard from Nikkie tutorials and Mark Makeup with Jack and some other people that if you do contour with a fan brush, it looks really good. And I've done my contour with a fan brush, and I'm loving it. It's just a really good powder. And this is the number 6 brush as well. So guys, that is all the collective haul that I had actually got. If you do like this video, please give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.